Alright, let's discuss this example. Okay, we have three vertices of a parallelogram A, B, C, D, which is A, -10, 1, B, 6, -2, and C, 14, 4. So A, find the midpoint of AC. Okay, so for A, very simple. All we have to do is to substitute the coordinate of A and C into our midpoint formula. Okay, so remember, this is our midpoint formula. Okay, so x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay, so midpoint of AC. Okay, so this is our x1, y1. This is our x2, y2. Okay, so x1 -10 plus x2 14 over 2, comma, y equals to 1, y2 equals to 4 over 2. Okay, so 4 over 2 and 5 over 2. So the midpoint is 2, 5 over 2. Okay. Now let's see B. We want to find the coordinates of D. So we have to sketch the parallelogram ABCD first. Okay. Okay, so I would draw a Cartesian plane. Okay, and then this is X, this is Y. Then I would plot the coordinates given. So A is -10, 1. So -10 would be here, and then 1 around here. And then B, 6, -2, 6, -2. So 6 would be here. And then -2 would be down here, so maybe B is here. And then C is 14, 4. Okay, 14, then 4. 14, so 4, right? So here is C, 14, 4. Okay, and then we'll connect this dot using lines. Okay, let's connect all these points. Okay. Okay. Okay, so D would be here, okay? So let me make it smaller a little bit. Right, so D, A, B, C, D would be here. Okay, put D as xy because we would like to find the coordinate of D. So since ABCD is a parallelogram. So AB would be parallel to line CD, and then line BC would be parallel to line AD. Okay, so if we have two parallel lines, okay, their gradients are the same. And remember, we find gradient using this formula, which is M. M is represent the gradient equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so here I've labeled x1, y1, x2, y2 for AB, and also x1, y1, and x2, y2 for DC. So since these two lines are parallel, so their gradients are the same, right? So we can write MAB equal to MDC. Right, so now we substitute the value into our formula. So y2 minus y1 is negative 2 minus 1 over 6 minus negative 10. So MDC would be 4 minus y and 14 minus x. So in order for us to find for x and y, we can compare this numerator and this denominator to this denominator. Okay, so let's find for y first. So this is negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3 equals to 4 minus y. So y would be 4 plus 3, which is 7. Okay, then let's find for x. 6 minus negative 10 is 16 equals to 14 minus x. So x would be 14 minus 16, which is negative 2, right? X equals to negative 2. So now we have found the coordinate of D to be negative 2, 7, right? So that is the answer for B. Thank you.